They pray all day to the good Lord that they make it one more year. Hands in the dirt, blood on the shirt, and too dry to shed their tears. Cotton don't grow that easy in a place that sheds no rain. It's hard enough getting by without the government's constraints.